If you would like to schedule a meeting and you have an account set up, you can go into schedule a new meeting and you can enter your details here. I'm going to choose to make this tomorrow, the 25th at 3 p.m., 1 hour meeting, and I'm going to have it generate a code. When it comes to meeting password, I like to unclick that because if people don't have to enter a password, it's a little bit easier for them. That's one less thing people have to think about doing. I'm going to turn on the host and the participant video. If your video is turned on in a meeting you're joining, you still have the option to turn your video off, but you want to turn the option on for people in case they want to use it. And under audio, it's nice to turn both of those on. People can join by telephone or by computer audio. Under the other meeting options, there are several here. I like to check off enable join before host. That way people can get in early and test their device if they'd like to. You can also mute people when they enter to reduce the extra noise if you're having a lot of meetings. You can enable a waiting room, or you can authenticate users so that there's an extra step that they would take before joining. And then you have the option to record the meeting automatically. If you do check off the record the meeting automatically, it will notify people that the meeting is being recorded so they know. So basically, you've set up everything here, set up all of your options, and you'll just click save. Before I do that, I want to show you, you have an option up here. If you're going to be setting up recurring meetings, you could check off recurring meetings, and then that would be one way to save time too in the future, that you're not just scheduling one meeting, but maybe you're scheduling, a meeting at the same time every week. So I'm going to say save. And over here, if I go here, then I will now see that this meeting is set up for tomorrow at 3 p.m. and there's my code. I have it integrated with my Google Calendar. So once I set up meetings, they automatically go into the Google Calendar. So you can do that as well, which makes it a very convenient way to send out meeting invitations. If you have any questions, please visit us at the Center for Leadership at Neumann University. Thank you.